Oh. I think the game starts immediately.
Greetings, Agent. Greetings, Agent.
I make a voice for him. Hey, Wallace. Guys, okay, before I start this video off, I got a new cat. Also, hey everybody, it's me, HardDuckMan. Welcome to Intergalactic Interpreter. We're gonna be the one who decides what humans and aliens think of each other. Because they don't know what each other is saying, but I can. So what's up to me? Also, just so you guys know, this little boy, he's gonna be with us the whole time we record. So...
Greetings, Agent.
I need to get a good voice on. Greetings, Agent. It's time for your next mission. Aliens calling themselves Triangulans have their mothership orbiting the planet. Their leader, Tringlin, has requested to speak with the president of the Earth Federation. They've threatened to use lethal force if their demands are not met. But as you are aware, Mr. President is a very stubborn man. Our organization fears the worst. We need an agent to go undercover as a mediator to ensure that negotiations go smoothly. War must be avoided at all costs. We hope you're up to the task. The entire world is at stake. Good luck, Agent. You'll need it. Yeah, considering I've... Okay! Yeah, I'm gonna be the best linguist. What do they call a translator? I'm gonna be a translator. Well, I guess not a translator, because I can't speak alien, but I'm an interpreter. Yeah, I can do this. Okay. I'm ready. Let's do this. Oh, we got calls.
Hello?
Hi there, Mr. President. I'll be the mediator for today's meeting. Just give me a few seconds to bring the leader of Triangle on the line.
Greetings. I assume you are the mediator.
Yep, that's me.
You seem okay enough. Let us commence.
Alright, let's get started with our first topic. The Triangulans have requested permission to bring with them Tim Voyage?
Exactly. We would like to take your human actor known as Tim Voyage back with us.
No! Why? He's not even that good of an actor!
He's been in contact with us for a while. Plus, he's very famous back home. He's so dreamy! We would love to take him with us.
Oh shit, okay. Oh, I'm on a timer, I didn't realize. Sorry. The alien should have him because he likes the aliens like him. Completely forgot where we were. Guess let's move on. It seems to be quite going quite poorly. On our next stop. No! So I gotta act fast. The Triangulans have a request. They would like to learn to play basements and banshees.
Ooh, I love that game.
Yes, how is it exactly that you play?
You say what you want to do, then roll a 20-sided dice.
That sounds easy enough.
I happen to have a 20-sided dice on me. Would you like me to demonstrate how to play?
Please do.
I make this piece still happen. Roll dice.
Ooh!
What? What is it?
Critical failure. The worst roll.
I guess this means we can't make this piece happen.
Yes, you have to follow the rule. It's the rules.
Oh no. This seems to be going quite poorly. On to our next topic. I'm worst. You're really not good at choosing people to do this job. This one is actually a question for me? Is a hot dog a sandwich? Yes, sure. Yeah, hot dog is definitely a sandwich.
I see. Very interesting indeed.
Wait, what? A hot dog is absolutely not a sandwich?
I mean, it's meat and toppings wedged between bread.
Oh my god. I need a moment.
This seems going to go quite poorly. On to our next topic. Tringle claims to have been insulted by humanity.
Yes, the human once told me I was looking sharp. It was incredibly insulting.
Are you being serious? You totally do look sharp, though.
How dare you!
Oh, he's pissed. He's pissed.
Settle down.
I've grown accustomed to these humans' insults. Humans consider that compliment. Yeah, that's a good thing. Means you're looking good. Auto referring to your outfit choice.
No way! True?
Yeah. Crazy, I know.
My apologies then. I must say, you both are looking sharp as well.
Hey, thanks.
Poorly still. Come on. Come on. The Triangulans wish to know, what actually happened at the end of the TV show Off Course?
I don't know.
Oh, Jesus, a tough one.
Indeed. Little one, it is a tough one. We do not comprehend what happened. So confusing!
So, this I can help with. I'm a big fan of Off Course.
I think they become the island.
What?
Hold on, I've got this. Evil hunters by defeating the hunters. I don't know. They get off the island, but then as they're leaving, they turn back.
Stop.
Then they fuse with the sand by consuming the flesh. Bye, Wallace. One sec, does Wallace want out? One sec, guys. My boy wants out. Want out, buddy? Yeah. I'm gonna leave that open for him, actually, because why not? We're trying our very best here, okay? They then fuse with the sand by consuming the flesh.
Stop! Enough. This is making my brain hurt. I don't care for your foolish human television anymore.
Alright, I think that just about wraps things up. I hope you both come to a conclusion what to do next.
I've certainly come to a conclusion. The Earth Federation will fight you until our last breaths.
The feeling is mutual.
We Triangulans will end humanity and destroy the Earth.
Whoa, settle down.
To war!
Bring it on, you awful humans!
Oh shit, yeah. Oh fuck. Oh shit. You could have chosen someone better for the job? Someone at least who has experience?
Agent, do you realize what you've done? How badly you've messed this up? Earth's destruction is all but guaranteed. War is here and it cannot be stopped. You're not just fired, you're doomed! Goodbye.
What happened? What the fuck? What the hell? Okay. Let's try that again. Okay, we gotta make peace. Hello?
Greetings, Agent. It's time for your next mission. Aliens calling themselves Triangulans have their mothership orbiting the planet. Their leader, Tringlin, has requested to speak with the President of the Earth Federation. They've threatened to use lethal force if their demands are not met. But as you're aware, Mr. President is a very stubborn man. Our organization fears the worst. We need an agent to go undercover as a mediator to ensure that negotiations go smoothly. War must be avoided at all costs. We hope you're up to the task. The entire world is at stake. Good luck, Agent. You'll need it. Yeah. Okay. I've got some practice now. I know what I'm doing. I have a clue. I gotta act quick, gotta think fast, use my big brain. Let's do this. Alright, what's up, guys? Hello?
Hey there, Mr. President. I'll be the mediator for today's meeting. Just give me a few seconds to bring the leader of Triangula on the line.
Greetings. I assume you're the mediator.
Yeah, that's me.
This is okay enough. Let us commence.
Alright, let's get started with our first topic. It says here that the Triangulans would like all of their expenses covered.
Why would I give in to any of these ludicrous demands? The Earth Federation literally has nuclear weapons.
Consider thinking before speaking, human. We have a particle-accelerated mega-death laser aboard the ship. Your planet would be reduced to dust before you could even consider retaliating.
Ooh. They're pissed. Oh, they're both pissed. Just give them the money. Let's not be too hasty. Okay, just chill. There's no reason for this to get violent.
They're right.
I do have a portal. Let's put this petty squabble behind us and continue attempting to find a compromise. Deal?
Fine.
This seems to be going well. It's go. Boom. Boom! I'm getting in the brain potatoes. Make them think good thoughts. Yes! On to our next topic. The Trianglings have a request. They would like to learn to play basements and banshees.
Oh, I love that game.
Hold on a second.
Yes, how exactly is that you play?
You say what you do, then roll a 20-sided dice.
That sounds easy enough.
I happen to have a 20-sided dice on me. Would you like me to demonstrate how to play?
Is there?
I'll make this piece still happen. Bottom one.
Ooh!
Whoa! What is it?
Yes! Oh! Best interpreter out there. Come on. Yes! Peace. Peace on Earth. Peace between the races. That's a perfect roll.
I guess this means when losing like this peace happen.
Yes, you have to follow the rule. It's the rules.
Alright, let's get to it then. This seems to be going well. On to our next topic. The Triangulans have requested permission to bring with them Team Voyage.
Exactly. We would like to take a human actor known as Tim Voyage with us.
No! Why? He's not even that good of an actor.
We've already been through this. Okay, let's... I know I'm gonna answer. Take him. Take him. He wants to anyways. He wants to go.
What? They can't just do that. It's not fair.
Tim Voyage! I'm glad we've come to an agreement.
We most certainly have not.
You'll just have to accept it. It seems to be going well. Okay, alright. We're on a good path. They've not killed each other yet. That's pretty good. The Triangulans claim there's a ship of theirs crashed in the ocean.
Yes, humans refer to its crash site as the Bermuda Triangle. However, it is just one of our ships.
What? Hold on a second. I've been trying to figure out what it was for years. All along it was just a Triangulan ship?
Yes.
Well, that's disappointing.
Did you perhaps think it was something supernatural?
Of course not.
So when I'm back then, I'm gonna be surprised if it's an alien ship, honestly. You know? I kinda love it if that was what happened. Because the Bermuda Triangle is just confusing. So you want it back then?
Precisely.
It crashed on our planet, so it belongs to Earth now. We have an old saying, finders keepers.
Don't be ridiculous, it's our ship.
Let's see. It's... Give the ship back. It is their ship. It is their ship. Right? And the Bermuda Triangle, as we know, it's been causing a lot of, like, ships go missing too, so this would be good for Earth. Right? It's not like we're missing out on any, like, cool investigating, it's just their ship.
Never.
But they need to provide humanity some form of compensation to make up for crashing it in the first place.
I can agree to that.
Yes, that is fair indeed.
A shame the Bermuda Triangle was so easily explained, though. It was a great source of tourism.
Are there other landmarks on this planet?
Oh, there's plenty.
Then perhaps we can help with increasing the tourism. Vacation time!
This seems to be going well! Okay. Yes! Make peace. Just make peace, guys. What?
Is everything okay?
Sir? Let's wait for him.
Hello? Can you hear me now?
Yes, it looks like you're back.
Good. Did I miss anything?
No, we're ready for you. Oh, thanks for waiting.
Oh, thanks for waiting. Oh, thanks for waiting. I appreciate it.
Okay,
Let's move on.
Alright, I think that just about wraps things up. Oh! Come on! This is the moment of truth. This is the moment of truth. Make me proud, okay? Make me proud.
it appears we'll have.
Indeed. I think we should learn to embrace our differences and work
Together!
Alone we're strong, but together we could be unstoppable. I'd like to propose an alliance with the Earth Federation.
By my power as president of the Earth Federation, I gladly accept. May the relations between our planets be long and prosperous.
Woo! 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 I'm glad everything turned out right. Yes! Woo! They're friends! Wallace, we did it! Yes!
Hello again.
Hello again, Agent. Congratulations on the successful mission. War has been avoided, and a good working relationship has been established between both parties. Excellent work. We'll get in touch with your next mission soon. See you, Space Agent. Woo! Oh, we did it. We did it. With no experience under our belt, we caused peace. We created peace between the two species, humans and triangle dudes. If that isn't a cause for celebration, then I don't know what the hell is. That was such a fun little experience. That was super enjoyable. I like games like that where you have to make quick decision thinking. It's really fun because it forces your brain to do thinking and kind of use your moral decision. You do moral dilemmas. I enjoy those a lot. If you guys enjoyed playing through that game with me, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. With all that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, peace.